Hi guys, welcome today to my channel. I hope that you guys had a lovely week and are enjoying your weekend. So in today's video, we're going to do a Chanel bag unboxing video. It has been quite a while since I've done a Chanel bag or since I bought a Chanel bag actually. So I'm quite surprised that I pulled the trigger on this bag. And if you guys know me, then you probably already know which bag I'm going to unbox in this video. But if you haven't, I'm going to tell you just a little bit about my purchase. So this bag is a bag that has been sitting on my wish list for quite a while, and it has been through some scrutinies. I think not everyone is like on board with this bag. There has been like some very different opinions about this bag. However, it has been sitting for so long on my wish list, and I didn't know whether I wanted to buy it or not. Now, a couple of weeks ago, I went into the Chanel store, and my essay had this bag, and he knew that I was eyeing this bag, but and I tried it like a couple of times, but every time I was like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I want to add it. I'm not sure if it's something for me. And I think I've been like this year and last year a couple of times in the store, and sometimes I try it, sometimes I don't. So he definitely knows that I need, or maybe not that I do need like a little bit of a push, but that I was really thinking about it. So last time he brought out this Chanel bag, and it had like a little bit of extra on it that definitely caught my attention. And I was like, this might be the bag or not. And the reason I say like or not is because sometimes I'm very OCD with certain things, and when they just aren't like the original or they have like an add-on, I might just be just it might be like the thing that doesn't pull me over. You get like what I mean? Like sometimes it's like, oh yeah, and sometimes it's like, no, I prefer just like the original. So he showed it to me, and he was like, Jessie, this is really a beautiful bag. And my daughter was with me, and she was like, Mom, this is also like a really beautiful bag. I like the addition that Chanel did to this bag. So you really want this bag. I think you should get it. And so I reserved this bag and allowed myself to go over like a few days and just feel like how I would feel if I would buy it. I think I'm like at that age that I don't want to like be very impulsive about the things that I buy. And of course, I feel like we really have to think about the things that we add to our closet. Like, is it really something that we need or that's going to add something that we don't have? And in the end, I felt like this is a bag that's really going to add something to my closet. So I'm going to do the unboxing of the bag. Oh, you guys already saw like a little peek. Doesn't matter because I'm going to unbox it anyways. So this is the bag that it comes in. And as you guys already saw, just a little peek, it is indeed the Chanel 22, you guys. Did you guys guess it right? Let me know in the comment box down below. But yes, I pulled on the trigger. I bought the Chanel 22. I think it's in the small version, but I'm not sure about that. Small or medium. But I'm so happy with it. I'm really excited that I bought this bag. I think it's really an addition to my bag collection. And I say that because I don't have many big bags. I think it might be like, aside from my Dior book tote, this might be my second big bag. I mean, I do have like a Birkin, but that's not really like a big bag. Like a 30 or 35 might be like a bigger bag. But this is, I think, the first big bag that I have in my collection, as I said, beside the book tote. So I'm actually really happy that I bought this one. I was looking for something that's a little bit more slouchy, a little bit more um comfy, a little bit more, I don't know, like sluggish. Is that like the real word that I'm looking for? And I think the last video that I did was all about bags, and bags that are trending or bags that are coming in or trends that we're seeing for 2025. Maybe I'm already there, or maybe it's just like the weather, the fall, the winter, that I'm looking for something more cozy, more slouchy. I guess I already saw that trend within myself in that video, so I'm really happy that I decided to go for this one. It brings that slouchiness, it brings that casualness. Um, really cool. So I'm really happy about it. So let's zoom in on this beautiful Chanel 22. So as you can see, this is a different edition from the regular Chanel 22. It does comes here with two small front pockets. And I think this was what actually pulled me over. My husband was, this is a great addition. I was like, Matt, I don't know. I'm not sure. And my daughter was like, I really like it. It does add something. And after a while, I was like, oh, this is actually really cute and I think a really nice addition that Chanel did. And it makes it just a little bit more extra. So I really love it. And then you have, of course, the straps. And on the side, you have like this Chanel, what is this, like a chain or a coin here. And then on the inside, it does come with, let's see, it does come with a small pouch. I'm not sure if I do have like anything in it. The receipt. So I put it here in the pouch. So that's it. And I still have like the sticker on it. I don't know about you guys. I'm still a little bit OCD when it comes to the metals. I just want it to stay forever and be beautiful and pretty. And on the inside, there isn't actually much on it. It's just like a big bag. You only have like the back pocket here, which does has a zipper, and that's it. Like, it's a very simple, easy bag. So as you might have noticed, I already got myself a back insert for this beautiful Chanel 22. This one I got from Amazon, and I already bought a couple of back inserts from this seller. Now, I really love the luxurious feeling of these back inserts. They're made from silk or satin, something like that. I really love it. It's really, really beautiful made. I feel like it's very high quality. It just stays really, really good. And on the inside, it does comes like with extra pockets, and it's sturdy enough, but not that sturdy that gives your bag just a little bit of the structure and holds its structure. So I really like these bag inserts. I already have them for my Birkin and other bags as well. For my Picotin, I think I don't know if I have them from my Constance, but however, so amazing, so great. And just like in general, if you want to keep your bags beautiful on the inside as you want to keep it on the outside, bag inserts are like the key for me. So this is the one that I use for my Chanel 22. And to be honest with you guys, I already used the bag because I was super, super excited. So I already used the bag, and I have to say, it's such a good bag. So let me show you guys like some shots when I do have it on, because I think that is also really important. So this is how it fits me. Now I'm 167 centimeters, so I think a little bit of a regular length. So this is how it is, and I really like it, you guys. I'm really happy about it. So even though like this might be known as the garbage bag, I really like it. It's such a cute garbage bag though. I mean, it really adds something. And you can also kind of like tie it like a little bit on the top. Like let me be just like a little bit careful with it. So sorry about the noise. But you can tie just a little bit to give it a little bit more puff, a little bit more huff, like this. So there you have it. I really, really love this bag. I'm so happy that I pulled the trigger on this one, you guys. Okay. What do you guys think? So, guys, this was the unboxing of the Chanel 22. So happy with it. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. Let me know in the comment box down below how you feel about the Chanel 22. Did I make the right decision or not? Thank you so much for sticking here till the end if you made it here. And I wish you a very wonderful week, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!